Hi loves, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really pretty blue sparkly look using the Desi Katy Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching this tutorial. Alright, to get started, I'm grabbing my Morphe 224 brush and my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just going to be placing that right below my brow bone and all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to blend that out with the brush, just so there's an even layer across our lid. This is going to set as a base for our eyeshadow. As you already know, for today's eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Desi Katy Friendcation palette. The first color I'm going to be picking up from this palette is the shade Necessary, and I'm going to grab my R40 Morphe brush, and I'm just going to dip into that lightly and start putting that right above my crease. The next shade I'm going to be going in with is Girl Bye. I'm going to be using my Morphe 433 brush for this color. Dipping into it lightly, I'm going to be going right below where we put the shade Necessary. We're still slightly above the crease, but not directly in the crease. The next color I'm picking up is Churro. I love that name. And I'm grabbing my Morphe 441 brush, and this time I'm going to be putting this color directly into the crease, once again right below where we put the last shade Churro. Now it's time to have a moment, no pun intended, grabbing the shade A Moment from this palette, and my BS Mall flat brush, I'm going to be dipping into that, and I'm just going to be putting this color directly on my lid, and you just want to put that all the way across so you have an even layer. This step does not need to be perfect. We're going to go ahead and blow it out a little bit more and add some more colors to the outside of the blue. So just put it directly onto your lid. It does not need to be perfect. Now just spraying a little bit of setting spray. You can use whatever you would like. I'm dipping right back into that A Moment shade. And we're just going to deepen up that blue a little bit more. Now going back in with the shade Churro and the fluffier side of my Naked 2 Urban Decay brush. And I'm going to be blending this out right above the blue, just to help it blend out a little bit more so we have no harsh lines. Next, going in with the shade Cheens in my Morphe E17 brush. I'm going to be putting that right in the corner of our eyelid. So this is just to deepen up our eye a little bit more, add a little bit more depth to it as well. Now grabbing my Makeup Revolution Euphoric Gold drops. I love these. I'm just going to be putting these right on my cheekbones. Just spread it out a little bit and then grab any brush. I tend to use my foundation brush for this, just so it leaves that sparkle on the brush when we go in with our foundation. Next, I'm going in with my POREFESSIONAL just to get rid of any pores. Next, grabbing my NYX HD Concealer in CW11. I'm going to be putting this right under my eyes just to color correct my deep, dark bags. For foundation today, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow, mixing the shades 203 and 206. I like to just put a little bit of both on the back of my hand, just so it mixes together by itself. And then I'm just going in with my BS Mall foundation brush. This is called a face round brush. Dipping into the foundation just a little bit, I'm going to start blending this all around my face. Next, grabbing my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C6. I love this concealer, guys. It's honestly a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and it's so much less expensive. I highly recommend it. So I'm just putting that right under my eyes, down my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And then I'm just grabbing a damp beauty sponge and blending that out. Next, grabbing my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautifully Bronze. I'm just going to start chiseling out my cheekbones. So as you can see, I'm putting it right down where my cheekbones are. across my forehead, and then we just want to carve that nose a little bit. So we're just going to do a light layer down our nose because a little goes a long way with this, guys. I'm grabbing my MAC 100 brush just to go ahead and blend this out all over my face. For setting powder today, I'm using my favorite MERCIER, and I'm just going in with a undampened beauty sponge. I don't like to damp it because I feel like it tends to get stuck to the beauty sponge. I want it to be completely dry, so I'm just putting that in all the areas where I put my concealer. Next, we're going to move on to our eyelashes. So I just like to give mine a little curl ahead of time because they are super straight. So once they're curled, I'm grabbing my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. This is great just to do an even layer of mascara before putting on our eyelashes. These are the lashes I will be using today. They are Cara lashes. I don't remember the style name, but I'll go ahead and look them up for you guys and put it in the description box below. But these are my favorites. They're absolutely amazing and they're so cheap. For the next step, we're going to be grabbing any big round flat brush. I like this one. I honestly have no idea where I got it. I think Amazon. Going in with the shade Churro and that same side of our Urban Decay brush, we're just going to go ahead and start blending out our lower lash line. And we're going to do the same exact thing with the color Girl Bye. Pick up a little bit and go ahead and put that right on top of the shade Churro. For our lower waterline today, I'm using MAC in the shade Smolder. And then to finish off our eyes, we're just going to go back in with that Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and give a nice layer to our lower lashes. All right, time to finish up our face. I'm going in with Wet n Wild, Fergie's collaboration, and I'm picking up any big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put this right on my cheeks and up my cheekbones. For bronzer today, I'm going in with MAC Give Me Sun. I'm obsessed with this bronzer, and to be putting it on, I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush brush. And I'm just chiseling out those cheekbones. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some all over my forehead and down my nose as well. For highlight today, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Ultimate Glow Kit. And I'm picking up the shade Amber Gold, and I believe that's Sun Dipped. And grabbing my Sonia Kashuk brush. This is number 129, my favorite highlighting brush. I'm just putting that right on my cheekbones, down my nose. And then I'm grabbing a smaller brush so that we can highlight the inner corner of our eye. This is our tear duct. And I believe I went in with the white shade, which is called Snow. And I'm picking up more of that same color in that highlighting palette, and I'm just putting this right below my eyebrows. To line our lips, I'm going in with I Love Sarai in the shade Curvy. I'm just going to overline my lips just a bit. If you guys want a video on how to make your lips appear bigger, I'm all for it. I love overlining my lips just to give the appearance that they're bigger than they actually are. And this pencil is honestly the perfect tool to make that happen. Next, I'm going in with NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream in the shade Sandstorm. This is my favorite nude lip because it's a little bit darker. I don't like shades that are too close to my skin tone because then it just kind of blends in. Next, I'm going in with Dose of Colors Over the Top Lip Gloss. This stuff is nice, you guys. You can literally feel the gold flakes on your lips. That's how sparkly and gold it is. It's amazing. All right, to set our face, I'm going in with my Mario Badescu setting spray. Ooh, yes. Let that dry, girl. And that's it, guys. That's our completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Honestly, I wanted to make it so easy for you guys to recreate. I know a lot of people have this palette, but might be afraid to use some of the brighter or more shiny, sparkly colors. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.